My name is Darren Bryan. I'm the Chief Operating Officer here at Albritton Insurance Services, and we provide all lines of coverage of insurance, both personal, commercial, and health. This office was started in 2005. Safety on both sides was most important to us. We first had to ensure that our employees were safe, right? And then we also wanted to ensure that our customers were safe as they transact business. So the governor has deemed insurance as an essential business, so rightfully so. People have to still maintain their automobile, their homeowners, and we are the agent for a lot of large group health clients, and so obviously with COVID going on, that's important too. So the mitigation we've done is that we've used a combination of technology and just old school saws. And so as you see here, one of the things we've done is we've cut a hole in our wall in our foyer so that customers can come in and still make payments and do the physical transactions without having to jeopardize any type of biological contaminants, and mitigate that as best we can. And then we also can transact insurance now virtually, 100% virtually. So we always had that opportunity, but it wasn't as wanted in the public. So now we can send documents via secure document email, have them signed via secure platform, and then sent back to us. So, and we can virtually see them through WebEx and those kind of things. So we schedule appointments with our licensed agents. We just schedule them instead of being in person. We're scheduling them virtually, and then we transact those business with those documents. Yeah, and so the phone is the most important piece of communication we're using today. When folks call in, it's our navigation point to those systems. So we can talk people through. If they don't have computers, they can come here. I had Travis from Top Notch come in, and thank you to those guys. They worked within 4 hours we had this built. And so it was awesome. They were here, I met them here early in the morning, and like at 7 opened up, and by noon we were finished. So we couldn't have done that without those guys at Top Notch. It's really a blessing for us to be able to do this, because it really has allowed folks to feel safe come in, and it's allowed our folks to feel safe too, but our customers feel safe when they're making that transaction. In the beginning of the month, there's a lot of times when folks come in and actually do a physical, hand you a check for their insurance. They don't pay online and those kind of things. And some of our older folks are those people who are somewhat most vulnerable. So we wanted to make sure they could still do that. Just know that we're here, we're open, and that for all of our local businesses, everyone that can still stay open, folks check with them, call them, make sure that obviously try not to expose yourself if they're not open, but call ahead, see if they're there, and if they're there, think local and think about our people that are still trying to make payrolls and help us to get through this. Because we really hope that pretty soon, few weeks, we're going to be on the downside of this, and folks can get back to work pretty soon. But insurance is important, and we don't want to let it lapse. We don't want folks to not have it, and so anything we can do to help make that happen, we hope at least patients, thinking of doctors, but customers of ours, give us a call. We'll figure out a way to make this happen, and whether it be through our face-to-face, through virtual communication, and even telephonically, we can help.
All right, thank you, Darren.
Thank you, Jess. Yeah.